They try to woo her with a love song. But she'll only choose the fittest to be her mate. So she puts them to the test, in a race like no other. This is one of the biggest courtship battles on Earth. She stays at the front, while up to 20 males, each weighing around 30 tons, try to keep up. They jostle for pole position and try to knock the competition out of the contest. Blowing bubbles, they confuse the humpbacks in their wake. And a swipe of a 15-foot wide tail intimidates rivals. But make no mistake, the female is in charge. When she turns, they turn. When she dives, they dive. It's a demanding challenge that can last for 4 days, weeding out the weaker whales, until finally, only the fittest male remains. She has found her mate. Exhausted, the new couple rest. Holding their breath for up to 30 minutes, they disappear into the deep together.